What's up guys, before I start today's video, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be selling my stickers because a lot of you requested for me to sell them. All of the profit for these stickers is going to go back into content. This is going to be completely different from my actual brand Mental. This is going to be available on jasonis.bigcartel.com. Link is in the description below. There's only going to be 50 of these being sold, so if you guys want to cop and have a sticker of my car, check it out. These are very, very high quality, not super flimsy, and I absolutely love them. Now let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we are going to my very first Cars and Coffee. I didn't clean up the car too well, but I think it'll be okay enough. The sun's not out yet and it's not gonna show all my little imperfections like scratches and swirl marks where I really need to get paint corrected. Ooh, looking cleaner than a baby's butthole. We're gonna be meeting up with Arnold, Adam, and Tom, so let's go to this little car meet at our coffee house, I believe, and see what's up. When the world needed him most, he vanished. Hi.
Hi. Oh shit.
Sheesh. How's your first Cars and Coffee?
You know, it's fucking black.
Babe, I miss my Supra. Just because I see Tom's Supra. Sheesh. Oh, look at that beamer. That shit is nice.
Oh, yeah, we probably had it at some point.
Can you do some ASMR? You hear that? You hear that?
Oh no, my second is my
Cars and Coffee
Thursday.
Northridge, guys.
Shit on Friday. So bad.
I
felt like I had a fever.
I've always liked them up.
It's so fire.
I like the color too. It's nice. That's kind of the color that I want to go with the Porsche. Kinda.
I think he might have added that,
Yeah.
but it still looks good.
But the way this sticks out here.
No, that's the way it comes.
Yeah, right?
God damn. Company car, please, please.
Let's get it.
You can drive it more because I know you like them more than me.
I do.
So the owner told me that he had an RCF and he traded it for this because he said the RCF was too slow, but he likes the comfort of the RCF better.
Toyota's just better.
He said that if he could take the RCF's interior and throw it into the GTR, it'd be the perfect car because he said the interior for the GTR is janky. I don't know. Fucking Nissan. Alright guys, Arnold's gonna show me his new steering wheel. Let's see what it looks like. Oh! Damn! Get in, loser! We're going on a field trip. Dude, this is sick. Damn, Papi. Oh my god, it's so hard to get out of here. What the fuck? Why is your wheel so close? Dude, that steering wheel looks amazing.
Thank you.
What brand is that?
Volante.
Alcantara too? Hey, pull it out one time. Quick flex. ASMR, damn.
You guys see this amazing Supra? I think it's a 19... Oh shit, what years?
1986.
Hey, what year is your car? Look at these specs. Look at this fitment. Oh my god. It's so fucking whack. Whose fucking cars is this shit? This isn't clean as shit.
Didn't he wash it yesterday?
I don't know the guy. Wait. That's us.
Fucking whack. Damn, car wash? Not really, because you missed the spot.
Oh, right there too. Oh, right there.
I miss all types of spots, bro. What management are you running? Hey, is this Airlift 3P or 3H? H.
Nos, bro, nos.
Damn, Alpine air tank. Look at these blue airlines. Sheesh. Since this car meet's so small, I gotta call the homies and tell them to come through. Hurrah! Hey, fool, what you got under the hood?
Stock.
Man, this is a clean ass Jay-Z. Woo. Damn, BCs? Is this a boost controller? Sheesh!
Nice.
Alright, that's the best car here. Step aside, I have to see the best car here. With the Ganador suit. Bro. Damn. Babe, can you buy me one? Oh my god, I want this. Even his headlights are sick. Sheesh.
Also, part of it's the paint plan. I don't know what their paint plan is.
And it has a roll cage too. Damn. Oh my god, guys, look at that door card. So fire. Dude, did you see that door card, Tom? That's cool.
It's not automatic.
Fucking famous, and it's not even your car. Rev it. You're not down? Come on. Alright,
Take care.
alright, at least floor it when you leave.
I'm not gonna do that.
Come on, you're gonna be done.
No, I can't do that.
Hey, you're not Tom.
Identity theft, bro.
We put some clear coat on that bitch.
Time to buff that shit. Make you nice and shiny. Oh, and,
Tom, how does it feel being the last airbender?
take my bending away.
So babe, how was your first Cars and Coffee?
It was cute, man.
Sleepy? Made her wake up so early just for this. You guys already know car guys always wake up for anything car related, but everything else,
Yeah.
we just hit snooze all
It's
day.
the worst.
I don't even hear my alarm. Work? Nah. Vegas? Nah.
Don't say that.
Hanging out? Nah. Car stuff? Up.
I have to call him in the morning.
I left my windows down for the meet because I wanted people to steal stuff, but I guess no one wants to steal from me. I have not been here in so long. It looks so good in the morning. I usually come here at night because the whole city's lit up. This is one of our viewpoints over where I live.
Sports mode. That's what's up, yeah.
Squad! Damn, Tom, you can drive a stick? That's attractive.
I'm gay!
quick intermission, Autovox has sent me another amazing product. If you guys have kept up with any of my videos, you will see in the past they have sent me rear view cameras. They always perfect them even more, and they just sent me their newest Autovox T9. The T9 is not a dash cam, it is a backup camera, which replaces your rear view mirror. If you guys are running an OEM mirror, your field of vision is probably not that great. This improves that, and it gives you way more view of everything around you. The T9 is a streaming media full touchscreen, so you have all of these options with this camera. Coolest part about the T9 is that you can place the camera anywhere. I personally like to have it inside on the windshield because it's so easy, but you can put it anywhere. I can even replace my OEM one and put the T9 right there. The T9 can definitely be used to avoid accidents in tunnels or on the freeway or just about anywhere. It comes in handy because of its widescreen view. Obviously, we need to tuck the wire, but it looks so good. Fits on like OEM. The car isn't even on, and it just stays on. Huge shout out to Autovox once again for sponsoring this video and sending me yet another magnificent backup camera. Link is in the description below, as well as a promo code just for you guys. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so there wasn't much to do after the meet. We just went to go eat. Your boy got some new tattoos. And I just finished filming something for Hot Wheels. It is like a virtual tour or something, and they approved me, but I had to do a full walk around of my car. I'll show you guys right now. They want it all unedited, but I'm gonna do a cinematic montage for you guys anyways. I was fighting against the clock because, as you guys can see, sunset already happened. And I'm gonna explain to you guys a little bit more about this Hot Wheels thing. A follower showed it to me on Instagram, and I was like, why would they pick my car? Because my car doesn't have any crazy color or decals, doesn't shoot flames, none of that stuff. I sent it anyways. They approved the application, but ultimately will not feature my car on this live stream or whatever unless they like the footage and my car. Even though I don't have any type of paid promotion or sponsorship with Hot Wheels, I thought it was cool to do because who knows, maybe this can open potential doors to them making more Lexus Hot Wheels. I don't know. All I know is if they like what they see, maybe I can email them and keep going back and forth till we can make something happen. But I think it would be so sick to have a Hot Wheels of my car. Probably the slowest Hot Wheel that you can ever produce, but whatever. One of us has to rep the Lexus boys, and hopefully we can get it done. And I know a lot of you guys are probably like, why are you getting so many tattoos? Well, I love tattoos. I consider it like modding your car, only obviously more permanent, and my whole body is like a canvas. Lots of freedom, blank slate for me to put so much artwork on and make very, very regrettable decisions. I'm just kidding. I love all my tattoos. I don't know. I just got a few, fell in love, and then I realized how much room I have on my body, and I like it. I think it's dope. I hope you guys like tattoos as well. Comment down below if you have any tattoos, what they are, the meaning behind them, and if you even like tattoos, because I remember I told myself if I got a shit ton of tattoos like I did now, I'll remove them in the future because I'm gonna want that clean look again when I'm like 60 or something. And now I'm just like, nah, I really like them. I've seen a lot of old people with them and they still look good. So thank God, Asian don't raisin, so it'll last forever. I touch up my car's bumper every few months, so I can definitely touch up my body every few years. But anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was my first Cars and Coffee. It was very small. I hope to go to bigger ones in the future. Let me know of any and maybe I'll pull up. I know there's a few in OC. There's definitely like a Supercar Sunday by my house. I don't know if they're still doing it, but I can definitely go to those if you guys want to see that. I personally just hate going to meets and filming it because it's so boring to me. It's either I film it and I give you guys a commentary and I don't like it because I'm not that funny, or I film cinematics and it's just a lot of work. But let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. There's a lot more content to come. I'm just trying to pace everything out, stay super busy, and have as much fun as I possibly can. Huge shout out to you guys. We just hit 26K. Cannot be more grateful for all of you who keep watching. It's been a good 2 years and we're going strong, baby. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't worry, we're gonna be back with more Lexus content. Supra is on the way. I cannot wait. We're doing everything right. I just want it to be over with. I'm tired of spending money. Well, at least on all of this. I'd rather spend money on mods. But hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my content. I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.